RS Components and Allied Electronics are the trading brands of Electrocomponents plc. With operations in 32 countries, they offer around 500,000 products through the Internet, catalogues and at trade counters to over 1 million customers, shipping more than 44,000 parcels a day. Products are sourced from 2,500 leading suppliers and include semiconductors, interconnect, passives and electromechanical, automation and control, electrical, test and measurement, tools and consumables. Electrocomponents is listed on the London Stock Exchange and in the last financial year ended March 31, 2014 had revenues of £1.27 billion. History. RS Components was founded by J. H. Waring and P. M. Sebastian in 1937 in London under the name Radio Spares, supplying radio repair shops with spare parts. When televisions became popular, television parts were added to Radio Spares' product list. By the end of World War II, the company had evolved into a large national distribution company. In 1954, the founders of Radio Spares expanded the company's focus from shops and home users to the industrial sector and began selling electronic components. The company rebranded as RS Components in 1971. Sourced from 2,500 global suppliers, the broad product range includes electronics, automation and control, test and measurement, electrical and mechanical components. RS now has operating companies in 32 countries, including France, Italy and Germany, with operations as far afield as Chile, New Zealand and China. Offering around 500,000 products through the Internet, catalogues and at trade counters to over 1 million customers, the company ships more than 46,000 parcels on the same day the orders are received. Milestones: first electronics and maintenance company to have an own label range, first distributor to offer free next-day delivery, Corby Distribution Center opened in 1984, first catalog distributor to introduce a CD-ROM version, New Neaton Distribution Center opened in 1997, adding 500,000 square feet of warehouse space in the UK, first transactional website in the industry, launched in 1998, first free-to-access PCB schematic tool, designed Spark PCB, in the industry, iPad version of Customer Magazine, eTech, launched in 2011, first to launch a specialist app, My Local RS, for its branch network. Operations. RS Components is part of the Electrocomponents Group, which trades as RS except in North America where it trades as Allied Electronics. The group distributes more than 500,000 products, including electronics, automation and control, test and measurement, electrical and mechanical components, to over 1 million customers. Electrocomponents has operations in 32 countries. The company uses a variety of channels to market, including selling via e-commerce, catalogues and trade counters. The group has 16 distribution centers across the world. In 2003, RS Components was awarded e-Business Strategy of the Year by the UK National Business Awards. In 2011, the company was named Distributor of the Year and Company of the Year at the 2011 Electro-European Electronics Industry Awards. The RS Components site in Corby is the town's largest employer. In 2013, both RS and Allied became one of the main manufacturers and distributors for the Raspberry Pi. Products: RS Components stocks around 500,000 products across its regional warehouses. It also sells and distributes Raspberry Pi computers worldwide. The major product categories and ranges include 1. Semiconductors, microcontrollers, power management, development kits, Leader Euro unregistered trademark S, data converters, discretes, Raspberry Pi. 2. Automation and control, sensors, contactors, machine guarding, enclosures, electric motors, circuit protection, PLCSA Euro unregistered trademark HMI. 3. Electrical, test and measurement equipment, LED lamps, electrical cables, cable accessories, multimeters, oscilloscopes, DC-DC converters. 4. Support, batteries, tools and tool storage, safety and security, fasteners and fixings, adhesives. See also, Allied Electronics, sister company in the U.S., Design Spark PCB. Design Spark PCB is a schematic capture and PCB layout tool provided by RS Components. Electrocomponents plc, parent company of RS Components. References. External links, RS Components homepage, RS Automation and Control Center, Design Spark, Electronics Development Community, customer-facing international website, RS Store Manager vendor-managed inventory from RS Components, RS UK trade counters, RS Components in Russia.